I spotted this master system on eBay, and given that my current hobby is trying to unbreak electronics, I bought it. The control pad was missing the D-pad. Please excuse the potato quality photo. So I took it apart and I cleaned the plastics with soap and water, and I cleaned the electronics with isopropyl alcohol, what they call IPA. It's not a kind of beer, it's a kind of rubbing alcohol, 99.9% pure. But what to do about this missing D-pad? Well, I've got a 3D printer that I've been a bit scared of in the past because, you know, you have to use all kinds of goop and gunk, and they're very sensitive and finicky, and basically it's sat there like a gargoyle looking at me for the best part of a year. But it came to the rescue. I found an STL, which I choose to think of as something like Warhammer 40k's STCs, standard template constructs of the very D-pad that I wanted to fix. It was available on thingiverse, so I downloaded it. And in my Elegoo Mars 2P printer, whatever that is, it took about 2.5 hours to print. At which point I pulled it out, cleaned it with rubbing alcohol and all that jazz, put it in the sun to cure. The UV apparently cures the plastic, and it looks like this. The finished result looks a tiny bit odd given it's white rather than the black of the default Sega version, but I got the kids to test it and it works okay. Well, except the up button isn't working, but I don't think that's got anything to do with the new D-pad. I'll strip it down and double check the button contacts under my microscope, and I think I might need to rebuild the traces. Oh well. I've got a Megadrive controller with much the same problem, so I'll batch them. But yeah, 3D printing parts works.